The kids are home and I'm getting ready to start some dinner. I am getting Oliver's Square Panda app all set up for him. I'm gonna let him do a little bit of screen time, but it's going to be positive screen time with educational elements. I absolutely love this app because it really teaches him all his letters, the sounds, how to spell words. He's being entertained, but also he's learning a lot, and it's really building his confidence. Ollie has always struggled with confidence when it comes to learning any kind of new skill. So with Square Panda, Oliver can really learn from his mistakes. So if he gets something wrong, instead of making him feel bad about it or make him feel like he failed, they help him learn how to find the correct answer.
Oops, wrong letter. Find this letter.
I know that.
What is that?
That's easy.
C, good job.
It's just been really awesome for him to get onto the app and learn something and feel confident about what he's learning. So Oliver is actually learning how to read right now, which is so awesome. And this app makes it so that he can stay on top of that at home and not just at school. Reading is the foundation to all the skills he's gonna have to learn in life, and so it's so important to us to stay on top of it, not just at school, but also at home, and that's why we absolutely love Square Panda. Ollie, are you loving this game?
Yeah.
It's so much fun, huh?
Yeah.
I love the fact that I can leave him here to have a little fun screen time, but I can go get some stuff done, like make dinner, which I definitely need to do. I also love the fact that there are lots of other Square Panda apps to download, like Squareland and Lagoon Game, and all of them teach different aspects of reading and have different reading skills, which is awesome because it grows with him and it stays at his level of reading. Make sure you guys click the link down in the description to grab your Square Panda today. It's on Amazon, so grab it while supplies last.